Namaste, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. Today, I'm going to share the knowledge that I have gained about Swar Vigyan, or the science of breathing, and how it can benefit in our day-to-day activity. Today, I'm going to cover for the people who are dealing in the stock market. Now, the disclaimer is applied that I am not responsible for any losses that you may make. I'm just sharing my experience and the case studies. And I personally don't do any trading in share market or MCX or commodity or forex. Uh, I have taken oaths not to do that. But I'm sharing this science, how it can benefit people who are doing the share market trading. So when you breathe, when you are breathing, there is a out of these two nostril, one will be very active. And to know which one is active, you basically join the first finger, join together and put it on the nose tip and breathe hard, breathe out basically, and see which nostril is active. So currently my left nostril is active. So it's a perfect time to do any auspicious work. So, if you are doing the share market trading, then make sure that left nostril is active. That is the Chandra Nadi, and the right nostril is the Surya Nadi. For whatever reason, if Surya Nadi is active, then you can change by making a fist like this and put it under the left armpit and squeeze it as hard as you can for a few seconds till you see the change in the air flow from the nostril. So vice versa you have to do. If this is active and you want to, activate the left nostril, then you have to put it in the left side of it. So try this and also follow the ZN table, the zodiac number that I have shared with you, and that will also help you make sure that there is a success in your trading. You make a profit in your trading. Again, the disclaimer is applicable. I'm not responsible for any losses. So if you are worried about it, then do not do any trading. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.